What I've got here is the Ninebot Segway scooter bag. I'm gonna install it on my GoTrax Elite electric scooter on the front here, and I'm gonna show you how to install it. So let me first open the box. So this is the Ninebot scooter bag. It has straps, 2 straps on the top and 2 straps at the back. And you see here, it has like an indentation so that it goes on the scooter like this. So let me show you how to install it. First, you need to make sure that the installation will not interfere with any lights on the scooter. So here I have the front light and I had the friction light here. And also the installation shouldn't interfere with the brake cable here. So what I'm gonna do is first, I'm gonna remove the Velcro tapes from the bottom. And you see here, this one. So this goes in it like this. And then it straps on the bike. So what I'm gonna do here is that I'm gonna put it below the brake here. So this is first, I'm gonna put it here like this. And I'm installing these straps here first so that I can here put the height to the height that I want to. So this is the second strap. It is much longer than the first one. So what I'm gonna do with this is that I'm gonna wrap it around the GoTrax like this, and then take it here and really tighten it, and then put it on the Velcro tape here. So this is here tight now, and now you need to install it on the handle. Let me remove the Velcro tape here and then put it around the handle like this. Make sure it doesn't interfere with the brake line or with the brakes or with anything else, and then put it in the hook here like this and just tighten it. And now just put the Velcro tape here, and here's the first one, and let me do the same for the second one. So for the second one here, make sure it doesn't interfere with the accelerator here. So this is the accelerator. So I put it inside, and then I'm gonna put it in the hook here. And tighten it also. And now it's really tight. You see it is really sturdy now. It doesn't move around. And to open it, you have 2 zips here. So just open it like this and look how it opens. So here I can put the charger for my scooter here very easily. I can put some other things here and it closes. And I can the charger, I can put also the cable lock if I want here. And it is really useful.